Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the game is updated and you can access local files. Once done, open the Steam or Platform folder and locate the Brawlhalla installation. Make a backup copy of the UI or Assets folder so you can revert. Next, extract or download the theme package into a temporary folder and inspect its structure to confirm it matches Brawlhalla's UI file names. This prevents conflicts later and saves time during replacement. Now you'll perform the careful replacement step. You should close Brawlhalla, then copy theme asset files into the game's assets/UI directory, overriding originals only after verifying names match. This is why you backed up. Make sure to preserve folder structure and permissions. If prompted, allow administrator rights. Once replaced, clear any cache or temporary asset folders the game uses so new textures and XML load correctly, and then relaunch to verify visual changes appear. Finish by inspecting every menu, HUD, and lobby screen to confirm alignment and legibility. You want all elements readable and not clipped. If something looks wrong, immediately close the game and revert the backup files to avoid corrupt saves. If problems persist, test the theme on a clean install or use a copied install folder and note exact file names and error visuals. This makes debugging faster. One troubleshooting tip: if textures show as pink or missing, restore originals and verify file formats and case sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.